my god. What on earth is this? What'd you order?
Dang, no way.
3-piece. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the new Goon Squad garage, and today we're gonna continue working on our 2019 Lamborghini Urus. Now, as you guys seen in the previous video, we almost knocked out the rest of our bodywork, except for this fender right here. Well, it's giving us a little bit of trouble, but you know what? We almost got it. All it really needs is like one more like skim coat and sand it down and prime that sucker in,
yeah, dude. Super simple stuff, man. That's it. And once that's done, that'll probably be our last major like body repair right there.
We're gonna throw primer on that little area right there, and also that pillar section over there. And as you were saying about the last bit of body work, which is gonna be some plastic. This rear bumper took a little punch right there, but you know what? That might be pretty difficult actually if you think about it.
Just depends on what kind of plastic the Lamborghini uses, because I know some plastic is like mixed with like fiber hairs and stuff like that.
Different composites or whatnot, and it's sometimes really hard to work with. But you know what? I think we could just throw a little torch on it or whatnot, throw some fiberglass at it. It's gonna look original.
Yeah,
dude.
I know DitFix actually sells a plastic repair station, but we ain't got that yet. We're not worried about that. We'll do the old-fashioned way, and I think we'll knock it out, dude.
I can't wait. Maybe we will get our hands on one of those in the future, but
for sure.
As of right now, we got a lot of work on our hands. We definitely got to knock out all this body work, and then we're gonna start ripping things apart because we got to wet sand the whole entire car. So there is a lot of work that we have to do in order to get this sucker in a paint booth. But also in the previous video, you guys seen where we threw on our very first mod. Look at the wheels, dude. I can't help but to just talk about that beautiful stance right there.
Come on this side right here. I think this is the best looking side since it's already almost looking done. Dude, that looks sick, dude.
You can't even fit a credit card in there right there,
sir.
dude. This thing is bagged out. Of course, it's going to be lifted up a little bit more, but also we got more mods coming, the exhaust, but we got to wait on that key, dude. Here, right around the corner, we're going to fire this sucker up, do the very first test drive. It's going to be absolutely insane, but as right now, we got a lot of paint prep on our hands. Let's just go ahead, knock out this body work.
So we are officially finished up with all of our body work, finishing off with this rear bumper over here, and we got this thing back to OEM spec right here, saving us around $4,000, and we just had to fool around with it just to figure it out because that damage was pretty weird. But we had this little like plastic welding gun laying around the shop that welds these little plastic pieces in there to hold everything together. It worked really great, and then we went ahead, did a little bit of that fiberglass filler, and then that nice little thin coat, and dude, it's looking good.
Dude, I like that little gun right there. I'm so happy we had it laying around, and these are actually metal things that just kind of weld into the plastic and hold it together.
Melt up in there, dude. That's pretty cool. First time ever using that thing. I think we got it off of Amazon or something like that, but that's it, man. We are basically ready to actually spray primer on all these little areas, and this car is going to be officially ready to be wet sanded, dude.
Wet sanded, dude. This is just an amazing stage to be at right here because we're one step closer from getting this sucker in the paint booth, but I don't know if we can get it inside the paint booth because it don't drive. No key, man.
No key just yet. I mean, we're trying to get it as soon as possible, but you know what? That key was kind of messed up, so they're trying to fix it. No big deal. If we have to, we'll just like prop it up on the trailer, but we may have to take just parts at a time because we got to paint the inside of the doors over here. So we may just end up taking the doors, and then we have to paint all the jams, even the jams on the back side over here. I mean, this car is two different colors, probably more gray now than it is white, or it may be 50-50 right now.
It is pretty much 50-50 right now, but it is definitely going to be a pretty crazy process painting this sucker right here. And of course, we're still waiting on paint as well.
Still waiting on paints coming from like all the way across America, but hopefully it's going to be in on time. But anyway, anyways, once we get all this stuff primed in, we're gonna go ahead and start wet sanding, probably from the roof down, just work our way around the whole entire car and hopefully get this thing 100% wet sanded. But we gotta go get some primer right now, right?
Right now we're all out of primer, so we're gonna go ahead and run to the store, grab the primer,
build it up, and hopefully start wet sanding.
What on earth is this? What'd you order, man?
Man, that's supposed to be my wife's birthday present right there.
A chewable, flavor-saving nugget ice from the comfort of your countertop. Dude, this is staying here, man.
That's what I was saying, dude. I can't wait to chew on some ice,
That's
dude.
insane right there. Look at what's on bottom right there. So that is the paint for this Lamborghini Urus. And look at what we got knocked out when we ran to the store and picked up our primer, threw it down, threw on our guide coat, and look at that. Our bodywork is officially complete, man.
Dude, we are excited, man. That is just awesome right there. It's already drying up. We use this heat lamp right here. And dude, it's almost ready to wet sand,
Almost ready. And look at those body lines. They are nice and sharp. Let's take you guys around. We threw a little bit more right there just to form that body line a little bit better as well. And as for this bumper, oh my goodness, that is flawless right there. You couldn't get no better than that right there.
Perfect, man.
But also, we did notice a couple more dents in this section right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick it up on camera. When you're standing from a certain distance and you see it in the light, there's a little bit of damage right there, a little bit of bendage.
Yeah,
you know
it's just
what I mean?
a little like ding in there, which we're gonna get some tools to hopefully pop that out,
We're gonna
dude.
PDR it. Paintless didn't remove that. But anyways, before we start wet sanding and taking apart a few more things, what we want to do is actually show you guys something that we were thinking about hiding. But you know what? Might as well show you guys this now because we are building the 2022 Chevrolet 2500 where the deer kind of just caused a little fender bender. And it's actually at 23rd Garage getting fully this like repaired. Something minor. And of course, we showed you guys the wheels for it. And of course, that right there is for it as well. We won't tell you guys what that is just yet. But we took it to powder coat the wheels and look at how they turned out, man.
Dude, I'm excited. These are gonna look so good on that truck. Let's go ahead and check these suckers out.
You guys ready for this right here? Look at that. Oh my goodness. And we got the caps powder coated and everything, and these suckers are gonna look absolutely just insane.
And
dude.
we got the tires for them, so honestly,
Where
we
are the
can throw
tires?
the tires on them. I think we like they're behind the 370
Somewhere
over there,
over there.
but dude, that's gonna look so good with the tires on there. But more importantly, we got not only one set of wheels,
we got another set of wheels. I don't know if it's which one is more important because that's gonna look super sick on the truck. But this right here is for the Porsche right there. As you guys know, we have an all-wheel drive Porsche with a GT2 conversion. So it sits a little bit wider in the front, so we had to get some custom wheels made. So I guess we're gonna probably go ahead, crack this open, roll some B-roll, install those tires, and show you guys what this stuff looks like.
dang, no way.
3-piece.
Are you kidding me? Oh, dang. that's gas.
Okay, we were just about to roll some B-roll, but oh my goodness, these suckers are insane looking.
Dude, this got to be a sick looking wheel.
That's the sickest wheel we've ever had, I think, right there, dude.
This is, I believe, 3-piece or 2-piece, but this is just insane,
I think they're 2-piece, and look at all the detail. I love the color. It says the satin black. We didn't want to go high gloss on that Porsche because it has satin black features.
Yeah,
you know
we wanted to match the whole entire vibe, and that just looks absolutely incredible. I believe this is the front one right here, which is gonna match the width and all that stuff. Just imagine the rear. It's even gonna be wider, dude.
This is gonna be insane. Look at that seal, dude. I've never like really worked with 2-piece wheels or 3-piece wheels.
That's exactly it. They're bolted on right there and they're sealed, which is just absolutely just legit right there.
Oh yeah,
dude.
we do got 3-piece wheels on the 370s.
Oh
here.
yeah, I remember that. That don't count right now, dude.
That don't count. Supercar 2-piece or 3-piece wheels right here. These are absolutely insane from B-Rogue Wheel Distribution right here.
Super excited to actually put these on the car and actually get that car stanced out properly. Along with, we got to finish that car, along with the parts that are still waiting.
Dude, 100%. But let's just crack open, I guess, the rest of them and install some tires here, dude.
Let's do it. Son, look at those,
dude,
man.
24 by 14s right here and 14.5 inches wide. This is the widest tire package we have ever worked with, and it's going on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet 2500, dude.
That thing is going to be an absolute unit whenever we get that thing done, but those wheels and tires are absolutely gorgeous, dude.
American Force, I love the color of them. It's just going to fit perfectly underneath that truck, and once we throw on that package right there, which we're going to keep it a secret, but that's one of the best lift kits around town online right there. There you have it, guys. It's going on that truck, and it's going to pair good with these suckers right here,
it's going to completely transform, and we got some epic more stuff that we want to do to it, man. That thing is going to be absolutely insane. But, dude, the powder coating looks good on this right here, dude.
Absolutely love it. But you know what? There you have it. It was pretty tough to actually throw that tire on that wheel right there. That's super huge. That machine ain't even made for this.
We had to manhandle those things,
we had to just throw some knees and some elbows.
Got it on there.
We got it on there, got it balanced out, and all that good stuff. But anyways, as for the Porsche wheels, look at these suckers right here. It is sitting perfectly flush, and once we throw a tire on there, oh my goodness, it might sling rocks.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. We're gonna definitely have to paint protection this whole entire car, but dude, it's gonna look good, 100%.
It's gonna look so good. And as for the front, it's got a little bit of coverage right here, but if we throw on the fat tire that we want to throw on there, it's gonna sit perfectly flush. It's gonna look so good. Man, look how just good that wheel looks under there, man.
Definitely a good choice on these wheels. They look super good. The spokes and all are just perfect, and I love that they're two-piece. It just makes it a whole lot better, dude.
Yep, and the color as well. But kind of sucks that we have to, start all over, because we did spend around $8 grand for these original wheels. But hey, we're gonna sell these suckers. They are brand new.
If anybody wants them, Turbo S wheels with brand new tires, shoot us an offer, dude.
They're going to be up on eBay as well. But anyways, guys, it's time to get back onto this Lamborghini Urus. We're going to take apart a few little things and pretty much start with that roof and start wet sanding. my goodness, guys. Change of plans. We are about to do this right here, dude.
I'm telling you, man, this got to go on this car right here. 100%, dude.
It has to. Of course, we were just fooling around a little bit, but we started doing a little bit of research, and we actually found out you can find some adapters that will actually make these wheels work for this.
Yeah.
But we'd have to buy a separate pair because this is going on the truck 100%.
Yeah, but I don't know. It doesn't hurt to go ahead and just buy some custom adapters and see if this will work. But of course, we're going to have to wait until we get the keys because we want to see how high this thing can lift up. Because if it lifts up just to throw these on, I don't care about turning, man. As long as we can drive it like that, dude.
Dude, yeah, that's the only thing that I'm concerned about is the turn radius. It might rub in a few sections, but man,
it could clear.
It could clear.
It could clear because look, like this. You know, that's all we need is this right
You'd have to go much higher, but...
Trim the bumper like that, dude.
Dude, I'm telling you, that would be insane. I think I've seen a couple people trying to attempt it, but we're the closest to get it done,
I'm telling you, I say we just go ahead and order some custom adapters and just wait on the key and the adapters to come in, and we're throwing these bad boys on, dude.
As far as the lift kit goes, we'll decide on that a little bit later, but hey, man, as long
as we can lift those bags up as high as possible, dude.
That's right, yeah. Right now, we're honestly just new tire and wheel goofing right now.
Dude,
you know what I
mean?
mean?
Messing around. I mean, might as well. This is an SUV, and dude, who knows? Possibilities are endless.
Just
dude.
The presence is insane. When you see it like this, it changes the whole entire car. You know what I mean?
It doesn't even look the same anymore. You know, just it's sticking out super wide and stuff like that. It almost looks like a whole different car.
It looks way more aggressive. Yeah. But anyways, we knocked out a lot of the bodywork where we primed it, so we're super happy about that. And
sanded all the primer down. Got the roof mainly sanded on that side. All we got left is this little front section here. We just need to cover it up a little bit better because it gets a little bit wetter, dude.
That's right. Yeah, we got to just make sure we tarp everything off properly. But in the next video, I think it's all going to be wet sanded.
100%.
But guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Definitely drop all your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.